How to unlink Facebook from Instagram. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is to go to our profile menu right here, and then click on the settings button on the upper corner. Now, once we're in, all we have to do is to click on Account Center, and then scroll down. We just have to tap on Accounts right here to review our accounts on Account Center. So now we can see every account that is affiliated with our Facebook account. So in order for us to unlink or remove this Instagram account to our Facebook, all we have to do is to tap on this remove button right here and then click on remove account. We just have to hit continue. And if we tap on yes, remove this Instagram account, we'll no longer have this Instagram account be intertwined or combined with our Facebook account. So we just have to click on this yes, remove this Instagram account. And now it has been removed.